In the Audubon neighborhood of Spokane, there's a little place that feels a little like Cheers, a place with great food, great beer, and familiar faces. That place is the Flying Goat. With fresh and unique pizzas flying out of the kitchen and ice-cold local brews on tap, guests are quick to call this place a home away from home.
Well, it's a block and a half away from my house, so I don't have to drive.
Kind of a neighborhood joint that serves really good food.
If you like a good family vibe, chill vibes, that's the place to be.
Really, there's nothing that goes better together than pizza and beer.
Jonathan Sweatt is the owner of Flying Goat. Together with his team in the kitchen, they're making sure their pizzas are perfect, only using the best ingredients.
We work with a local farmer. We bring in almost all of their tomatoes during the summertime. We also do the arugula. It doesn't get any better. The closer it is to your restaurant, the more fun for the chefs, and then the guests could feel that, and taste just that difference.
If you like great craft beer, great pizza, and just a friendly environment that everybody knows your name, or they'll get to know your name, come on to the Goat.
Don't miss later in the show when Flying Goat's chef Adam and I make a special pizza featuring Washington potatoes.
You probably do this in your sleep.
Sometimes. We call those nightmares, though.
Yeah. Work nightmares.
Ticket machines going
Anxiety,
off.
yeah.